In episode 1 of the Sierra Fall Colors Ride, we'll ride the exciting Ebbett's Pass, gaze in wonder at the stunning colors of Hope Valley, and wind through Carson Pass to the historic town of Jackson.
Howdy folks, how's it going? Thanks for watching today. I hope your ride's going well. Today I'm headed to the Sierras. I'm going through Altamont Pass right now. Got a few of the windmills going. It's a bit warm today, but not hot. Mid to late October. I'm trying to squeak out some fall colors before rains and snows hit for the winter. I'm going to be doing 3 days in the Sierras, and I'm going to be riding most of the major passes. Today I will be doing Ebbett's Pass, going all the way over to 395 on the eastern side of the Sierras. And then I'm going to circle north up to Carson Pass and head west on that and go up and all the way over the Sierras with a stop in Hope Valley. See some really awesome fall colors because that spot is known for it. And I'm going to be staying in Jackson tonight, up of Highway 49, basically in the foothills of the Sierra. Tomorrow, Yosemite Valley proper. El Capitan, Half Dome, Bridal Veil in full glory. Head out of the valley and then up onto 120, aka Tioga Pass, and take that all the way on the eastern side of the Sierras, and then head north to Bridgeport. Last day, north on 395, and then go over Sonora Pass. I'm going to be going most of the way across California in this trip. I'm 35-40 minutes from Pacific Ocean where I live. I'm pretty much going to be going just a few miles from Nevada. I'm going to zigzag far down into Yosemite and then come back kind of through the middle like I'm tying a knot. Should have some great sights and some awesome riding throughout this trip. Got a couple of bikers here. Slot into formation here.
The road to success is often a lonely one.
.44 miles a gallon on that trip. And we're getting close to Lake Alpine. The road has dropped down to about a lane and a half. Oh, there we are. I kind of like this vista viewpoint. You got the little snaking water there. Spot. This is some of the Sierras at their best. As a motorcyclist who enjoys nature, you gotta love this one. This is Mosquito Lake, I believe, given the sign. There's a little ranger office there, I guess, maybe. Nice spot. Check that out. I mean, this place is like snowed in, and I'm sure the lake is frozen in winter, but Pacific Grade Summit, 8,050 feet. as I rounded that hump. We hit the brakes for this turn. And another sharp turn. I'm not even looking at the GPS. That guy was going awfully fast for that hairpin turn. Of course, they don't have warnings, so maybe it caught him by surprise. He was hugging it though. I gotta say, he wasn't being an idiot going super wide. And I appreciate that, being that I was coming the other direction. I definitely appreciate that. Thank you, sir. Valley, 7,060 feet. So we've dropped about 1,000 feet. You never know when someone's going to come barreling around that turn. So when you want to hug the right side, you got that cliff there, you know, you've made your lane about a quarter of the width of the lane, and so you want to adjust your speed accordingly. In other words, slow down. There we go. There's a nice wide expansive view there. Check that out, folks. Sierra Nevada. Oh, this is nice. Quite a drop here. And then, whoop, back up a bit while turning. So we have left Highway 4 behind, and now we're on 89. It's an interesting little meadow. Pretty cool. Markleyville. Blink and you miss it. Ooh, wow. Veritable traffic jam here. Oh, they're all kind of painted the same. Must be a club. Fire definitely came through here. definitely a lot more fall colors in this valley coming up Carson Pass. Wow. Kit Carson Pass. Kit Carson was the right-hand man of John Fremont. A pretty amazing character. There we go. This is better. I bet you I can get some good pictures here. It's right. Like a lifeguard tower or something? State property. The tube is for. Does it do launch beers out to people boating on the lake? That would be awesome. Nice little view here. Check that out. Carson Pass, elevation 8,574 feet. I do not remember this lake. Pretty cool. Big. Caples Lake. Some nice colors here. There's something you don't see every day. I'm about 40 miles out from Jackson. I'm going to Jackson. Trying to keep my eyes peeled for wildlife. Most likely deer, but I did go by Bear Valley, Bear River Lake Resort. It is bear in this area. Nice. I've eaten at this place. It's not bad.
If you've liked this ride, check out one at the top of your screen. And consider liking and subscribing. It'll really help us out. And wherever your journeys may lead, ride on.